At large. At large has two meanings. The first one is free or uncaptured. It usually is said of criminals running loose. For example, the criminals escaped from prison and are still at large. There was an alert because Sirius Black escaped from Azkaban prison and was still at large. There were thieves at large in the city. The second meaning is as a whole, in general. For example, we tried to increase participation from the community at large. The policy failed to impact the world at large. Amongst the population at large, the support for the candidate was high. So next time, when you refer to an uncaptured criminal running loose, or if you refer to something as a whole in general, why not use at large instead? Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.